Right there.
Ouch.
So you're going to just come a little bit into here.
Oh.
That's good. A little higher there. And we want to get this way down in the lumbars down there. Right there. Beautiful. Ooh, nice, huh?
I felt that.
Yes. Back down. Right there. Excellent. Good. Get an extension back in there. Ankles go. Right there. Get a little tug.
Woo. Yeah.
Okay, Ray. All right, so spinal stenosis down the low back, right knee issues. You've had your problems up here too.
Oh.
Right there.
Ouch.
So you're going to just come a little bit into here.
Oh.
That's good. And we have to get this a little bit different in this one here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to have you sit up, have a seat right down on the bottom of the table. And I'm going to have you bring your arms up, a little higher there. And we want to get this way down in the lumbars down there, right there. Beautiful. Ooh, nice, huh?
I felt that.
Yeah, and now we got to get this one. So we're going to have you interlace behind your neck. Lie back down. Right there. Excellent. Good. Get an extension back in there. Now we're going to have you lie on your back right at the top.
Is that high now?
Yeah, you're perfect. Right there. Nice. Good. Okay, come right in here. Good. Now let me just come in this way a little bit. We're going to decompress. Let those ankles go. Right there. Get a little tug.
Woo. Yeah.
Now come in this way. Get the head up this way. Just let that go. Good. Nice motion. Now, get that little bit on that extension on that knee. There we go. That was better. Perfect. Now let's slide down to the bottom. Yeah, so that's part of it. When you have that stenosis, is the legs won't have the power, and this way you're going to come up with more knee problems.
Now we'll talk about the pain on the knee.
Okay. There we go. All right, power's on.
Good.
Job.
Thank you, Dr.